Announce your Messenger store launch. Crafting your store intro post. Tips and examples. Crafting a compelling store introduction post is crucial for creating a positive first impression and engaging your audience, especially when you're introducing an online store. Here are some tips and examples to help you create an effective store introduction post. Tips for crafting your store intro post. 1. Highlight unique selling points. Clearly communicate what sets your store apart, whether it's unique products, exceptional customer service, or a specific mission. Make it clear. Number 2. Engage your audience. Use conversational language to connect with your audience. Encourage comments and questions to foster interaction. Number 3. Include visuals. Add high-quality images or videos showcasing your products, store layout, or theme. Visuals can make your post more appealing. Number 4. Provide contact information. Make it easy for customers to reach out to you. Include contact details and encourage them to ask questions or provide feedback. Last but not the least, create a call to action. End your introduction with a clear call to action, such as inviting customers to explore your website, visit your store, or sign up for newsletters. Examples of store intro posts. Announce your Messenger store launch now.